Guangdong Profit, established in 2012 and located in Xiaolan, Zhongshan, operates from a vast 40,000 square meter facility. We are pioneers in eco-friendly furniture manufacturing, seamlessly integrating research, design, and production processes to drive innovation. Our dedication to technological progress is evident in our cutting-edge facilities equipped with fully automated production equipment and an intelligent management system. Since 2013, we have led the development of MDF electrostatic powder coating production lines in collaboration with industry leaders like Tiger and AkzoNobel. Our dedicated R&D team has propelled us to the forefront of technical innovation, resulting in an annual output exceeding 1.5 million square meters. Our powder-coated MDF products offer numerous benefits. They are customizable to cater to diverse preferences and possess inherent bacteriostatic properties, ensuring a clean environment for homes and workplaces. Compliant with rigorous standards such as California Proposition 65, REACH, and EN 71-3, our products guarantee peace of mind for clients and contribute to environmental sustainability. Additionally, their wear-resistant nature ensures longevity, making them a sustainable choice for discerning customers. We take pride in our ability to customize powder-coated MDF products to meet our clients' unique needs. Whether it's bespoke tabletops, cabinet doors, or tailored furniture pieces, our skilled craftsmen ensure that every project reflects the individuality and vision of our clientele. Innovating with integrity, crafting with care, where excellence meets innovation.